going to be putting together this 1,000 piece puzzle, Star Wars. Let's get started. Okay, I'm going to open up the box and empty out all the puzzle pieces. Okay, comes with the poster. This is what it's going to look like when I complete the puzzle. Awesome. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to separate my edges. Separate all my edges. And then my non-edges I'm going to put on this side. So I'm going to separate them and then I will be back. I have separated my puzzle pieces. I have all my edges here. That's going to be my puzzle frame, and then I have all the other pieces over here. So what I'm going to do now is just start putting my puzzle frame together. And I will be back. Okay, I wanted to show how the puzzle pieces is coming together for the puzzle frame. I'm almost done, so when I come back, I'll show you the completed puzzle frame. The puzzle frame is completed. So now I'm going to look at my Star Wars box. What comes to my eye is the green and yellow bean and this blue here. I will pull out the green and yellow pieces. Then I'm also going to pull out some blue pieces. And I will come back. I have most of my blue puzzle pieces, and then I have my yellow and green puzzle pieces. I'm going to start putting them together, and I will be back to let you see the progress. Okay, I just wanted to show part of my progress. You see the bean, and I'm still working on the blue and part of the green here, and I will be back. Okay, this is what I have completed so far with the green and yellow and also the blue. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go over here in my puzzle pile. I'm going to pull out all my beige pieces. Yeah. And my beige pieces are the pieces that's going to be part of, on the box, yeah, part of the ship. So we're going to do that part. Okay, I'm going to put out those pieces and I'll be right back. Okay, so I pulled out most of all the gray pieces, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to start working on that, and I will be back. So far this is what I've completed with the gray part of the bottom of the ship. I have some green and darker gray, and I'm going to continue to work on the ship, and I will be back. Okay, now you see the bottom of the ship and how I have everything connected. And I went and pulled some pieces to complete the circle. I found the black pieces with the white, with the gray. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start pulling some more pieces. I see green, so I'm going to pull these green pieces and put them over there. And I'm going to pull some more pieces, and then I will be back. I have pulled the green pieces. I put them up here. I also pulled these different color pieces. By looking at the Star Wars box, I'm going to start working on Star Wars characters. And then I will be back. Now you can see some Star Wars characters, Skywalker, Rey, Chewbacca, and C-3PO. So I completed those, but what I'm going to do now is I'm going to start working on the green pieces. And I will be right back. Okay, so I put some more green pieces together, and I'm kind of stuck, but I also put the characters, I attached them, and that's where they go on the puzzle. So now I'm going to look at my puzzle pile. I'm going to pull out white pieces. Yeah, I'm going to pull out the white pieces, and I will be right back. Okay, I pulled out most of the black and white pieces. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start working on the white and black pieces, and I will be back. Okay, I was putting some of the white pieces together. As you can see, I did some here, but I got stuck and I started doing the bottom part of the puzzle. And I have some more pieces, so I'm going to complete that and then I will be back. I have completed the bottom of the ship. I have a piece missing here and a piece missing here. These are some other pieces that'll fit in this area here. I have my green pieces up here that I'm still going to put in. Also, I saw pieces that was completing this side of the puzzle, and I put those in. I sorted some of the pieces with the blue and the stripe pieces. So I will be back. The bottom part is completed. I found those two pieces and I put in those little extra pieces that I had. And I have like part of the ship on this side. Also, I put in some of the stripe pieces up there and completed some of the side pieces here. So I'm going to continue to work on the ship and I will be back. The spacecraft is almost completed. I just have to put in some of my darker pieces, but as you can see, this is the space ship. Looks really nice. I have my green pieces I'm going to start putting in, and then also I have my blue pieces I'm going to start putting in, and then I will come back. See the spacecraft now? It's complete. I just have some darker pieces that I need to put in. So I'm going to put in my green pieces. I'm going to put in my blue pieces, and then I will come back. The Star Wars puzzle is almost complete, as you can see. So all I have now is my darker pieces left. So I'm going to put those in, and when I come back, I will show you the complete puzzle. The Star Wars puzzle is complete. Don't forget, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. I have more videos to show. Thank you so much for watching.